Today, November 22, we detected unusual options activity on Olin Corporation, ticker symbol OLN. And we wanted everyone to know about it, especially our members who get early access to this video. As you can see, 50 strike calls, December 15, multiple trades. And when we take a look at the options chain, we can see a total volume of 5,600. At the 50 strikes calls expiring December 15 in just 23 days. Okay, so if we were to estimate the value of this trade, let's say they were paying about the current price of 50, well, right here, for example, here, $50 each, right? And we can see 50 times about 5,000 contracts would be about $250,000. Okay, so we believe they are buying to open these trades. As we mentioned, they're going for about $50 each. And oh, by the way, Olin Corporation, if you're not familiar, materials sector. And when we take a look here, you can see that this company has been around for quite a while. 1892. They are involved in the chemical industry, military ammunition and components as well, different sectors, but primarily the materials. So you can see here that this is a positive earnings per share. So fundamentally, this company is profitable. Okay, so that's one thing to point out. And when we see companies like this, and with the data that is bullish, we sometimes just buy stocks as well because it has good fundamentals and it is a profitable company. And we don't necessarily always buy options. Well, we can also use stocks as well if we are willing to hold the shares if they were to drop. All right, and so we can see here that these 50 strike calls, we are also in these for the call options, because you can see that the risk is quite small. They were paying about $50 each for them, so the risk per trade is $50, and you can see that the potential gain is quite a lot, right? Depending on how quickly this stock moves up, right? And so there is no limit because these are call options, right? You can see that there is a negative 2.57 theta decay, and that is why if you buy stocks, then the theta decay is actually 0. So there is no risk on theta, and that is one of the benefits of trading stocks as opposed to options, right? However, you don't get the leverage that you can get from options, where you can make a lot more, but you're also risking as well. So when we take a look at the charts, we can see that Olin did make a recent 52-week low after earnings reported, and it looks like ever since then it has been coming back up as well. So we're at $47 now, and so the target call option price of $50 is right around here. And so for this to rise to about $50, you can see that needs about 6.6% in 20 days, right? So that is the analysis on these unusual options activity. If you are interested in our member-only trades where the trade values exceed $1 million, then make sure to click the join button on our channel homepage to learn how you can join to gain access to those type of stocks that have better unusual options activity data, where those million-dollar traders have a lot more conviction that the stock price will move in the direction that they are betting in with over millions and millions of dollars. All right, so as usual, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of unusual options activity. Take care and have a great day, everyone.